Hi, I'm Kris Chambers, Digital Retailing Manager with LaFontaine Automotive Group. When making a vehicle purchase or lease decision, the question we all want answered sooner rather than later, what's my monthly payment going to be? So what determines your monthly payment? Well, first, it's all about vehicle selection and price. Next comes your personal financing options and the current manufacturer rebates. And lastly, deciding how much money, if any, you want to put down. With the power of LaFontaine Digital Retailing, you're just a few clicks away from finding the car of your dreams at a payment you can afford. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are at the LaFontaine Toyota website. Once you've selected your vehicle, go ahead and click on Personalize Your Payment. Our payment calculator works in real time. You can choose from lease, finance, or you can choose to pay cash. Adjust your term and down payment, your estimated credit score range, how many miles per year you're going to drive. If you have a trade, no problem. Simply click here and our online valuation tool will let you know exactly what it's worth. Taxes and fees, those are automatically calculated once you put in your address. This will also help us calculate other rebates or incentives from the manufacturer. Have a question about a rebate? Click on eligibility and it will let you know exactly what it takes to qualify. Here you can review your deal. And if everything looks good, we'll let you know what's next. You can lock in your payment online and apply for financing and have an approval from lenders in minutes. Or you can save your deal, come in and take a test drive on our vehicle, and we'll take great care of you. It's just that simple. Whether you shop with LaFontaine in person or online, we strive to personalize your automotive retail experience. If you have any questions, please visit our digital retailing FAQ page or email us at feedback@lafontaine.com. And thanks for watching.